Hello everybody, I'm Anthony Liu from AZVR Mechanical Universe. Lesson 11. Safe rigging setup and pre-lifting checking. Rigging safety basics. A practical pre-lift checklist for safe rigging operations. Why pre-lift checks matter. Why pre-lift checks matter? A safe lift begins before the load leaves the ground. Even good rigging hardware can become dangerous if the setup is wrong. Pre-lift checks help us prevent overloading, loading shifting, sling damage, sudden swing, dropped loads, injured works. Key message: check first, lift second. Knowing the load weight. Before lifting, the rigger must know the load weight. Never guess the weight of the load. Use reliable information such as equipment nameplate here, drawings, shipping documents, manufacturer's data, load calculations. If a weight is unknown, the lift should not be continued. Key message: unknown weight means unknown risk. Find the center of gravity before lifting. Here is the red line. Vertical is the center of gravity. The hook should be positioned above the center of gravity. If the hook is not above the center of gravity, the load may tilt, shift, swing, become unstable. A load that looks stable on the floor may become unstable in the eye. Key message: control the center of gravity before lifting. Check the sling angles. Sling angles affect the sling tensions. A smaller sling angle, here is a smaller theta, creates a higher sling tensions T. This means a sling may carry much more force than expected. Before lifting, check sling angles theta, sling tensions T, rated capacity, load balance. Key message: smaller angles, big tensions. Never ignore sling angles. Check all connections. Every connection must be secure before the lift. Check that hooks are properly seated. Shackles are correctly installed. Shackles pin here are fully engaged and secured. Slings are not twisted. Slings are not knotted. Sharp edges are protected here. Do not use damaged or improperly connected rigging equipment. Keywords. A lifter is only as safe as its weakest connections. Clear the danger zone. No one should stand under the suspected load. No one here. Before lifting, make sure the travel path is clear. Workers are away from the load. Hands and feet are out of the pinch options. No one stand between the load and the fixed object, such here. No one stand between the load and the fixed object. The load may move suddenly if balance is lost. Keywords. Stay out of the line of fire. Communicate before lifting. Good communication prevents confusion. Before the lift begins, review the lifting plan, confirm who gives the signals. Use a clear hand signals here, meaning the host, the lower, stop, emergency stop, swing. Or radio communications. You can call somebody. Use the radio communications. Make sure everyone understands the plan. Plan here is lifting plan. Only one qualified person should give signals to the operator. Here is operator. Here is only one qualified person give this operator signals. That means operator only follow the only one person. Key message. One single person. One clear plan. Use the site-approved standard hand signals. If you want to write the government examinations, you should remember this means host, lower, stop, emergency stop, swimming, and so on. Remember, every time you write government Millwright examinations, you should come across these questions. Perform a trial lift. Before the full lift, perform the trial lift. Raise the load only 50 to 100 millimeters. That means only little bit left the ground, very, very small distance. Then stop and check. Check what? Check is the load balance. Are the sling tight and stable? Are the connections secure? Here, connection. Is the load tilting or mean? If anything looks wrong, lower the load. Let me go back to the ground and correct the problem. Key message: lift a little, stop, check, then continue. Lesson 11 summary. Before lifting, always check. Know the load weight. Find the center of gravity. Check sling angles. Check all connections. Clear the danger zone. Communicate clearly. Perform a trial lift. Key message: no guesswork, no shortcuts. Safety first. Thank you for watching this lesson. See you next lesson.